So, most recent treasure recovered from the graveyard is this TRD Exhaust. Came off of a Solara. As you can see, I just cut this one off. This hanger back here was already off, so it just desperately needs to be cleaned. It hasn't, I don't know that it's ever been cleaned, so that's what we're going to do today. See if we can't get this bad boy into fighting shape. I would like to put it on the Forerunner, but it desperately needs a cleaning first. Well, after some polishing, I've definitely got the tip cleaned up. However, the TRD definitely isn't gonna make it. I mean, it's still there roughly, but I think to actually get this all the way cleaned up and looking nice, it's gonna have to bite the bullet. So, you can kind of see it on this side too. But yeah, it's just not in great shape anymore, so it's probably gonna end up going by the wayside. I mean, if it does make it, that would be fantastic. And if I can find a way to get it back on there, that would be cool too, but we done seen what it is. I know what it is, so we're just gonna run it. A little more work, and the TRD is still very vaguely there. I'm not even sure if I can capture it on camera. But it's still there. We've got the tip pretty much finished up to my satisfaction anyway. It's not perfect, but I never really expected it to be perfect. And then I've been working on the body here since it was nice and easy to do. And it's looking a heck of a lot better. I do need to work on this here, and then I do need to get up there, but well, one thing at a time. We'll get this guy back in good shape and ready to go on something. Oh, it's by no means perfect, but it's a heck of a lot cleaner than it was before. And it will fit up in here and actually not be too bad about ruining any clearances. The tip will stick out probably about yay far. I'm gonna have a little muffler shop here come by and whack this pipe off right here, probably right about here at the muffler. And then from the muffler back, I'll just have them weld on a piece of pipe. solid pipe that comes back to right up here, where then they can send it onto the TRD muffler right here. I'll have a hanger welded right up here, and then another one down on here. And I need to do something about this resting frame, but alas, something will get done about that sooner than later. But I believe that is my plan for getting this TRD muffler onto the 4Runner and getting rid of that giant boat. Should hopefully make it sound better, and it'll weigh a heck of a lot less, that's for sure. And I'll have that cool little silver exhaust tip sticking out at the end of my truck instead of this rusty old thing. No more rusty old pipe.